Nancy. Let me help.
Oh, thanks, Frankie. It's my third trip to the grocery store this week.
Oh, you too? Isn't it hard to find something your exchange student will eat?
Oh, no. Ours is practically a chef. Every night he makes a different dish from another region of Spain. Last night was tapas from Barcelona.
Oh, yeah. Oh, us too. Boy, we are having a blast over there. It's so much fun.
Oh, isn't it? Yeah. Esteban plays guitar and has been teaching us flamenco dancing. Oh, he's such a treasure. I'm sure you all feel the same way.
Oh, yeah. Feelings. So many feelings.
You should get together with the Taylors, because they got assigned a boy from Japan too, and they're having a blast.
Mama, I made rebujitos.
Gracias, Esteban.
Come, I brought a game from Spain called Patim Patam Patum. There's lots of rolling and pushing, with many laughs between players. Let's play.
Oh.